Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here today with another simple recipe to make to elevate your apples, chocolate covered apple slices. You can make this with a mold or without a mold. So let's get into the video. So I'm just squeezing some orange juice into a bowl of water. And this is just to prevent the apples from discoloration. I'm going ahead to slice my apples. I want a specific measurement, that's why I'm using the ruler in the video. You can eyeball it as well. Uh, so this step is not necessary if you don't need to. I just want to have an even sizes. So I'm just slicing these apples, and this measurement will also depend on the type of mold you're using. But if you're not going to use a mold, you don't need to do it at all. And what I'm doing is just taking the middle section out, the seeds, and just put them in the oven juice or water to prevent the discoloration or browning. And I'm setting it aside. Then I'm going to do double boiler to melt my chocolate. I prefer this method because it's easy to control the heat and really see what is going on. So just simmer water and put your bowl on it and work with it. So I've gone ahead to take the apples from the water. I'm just trying to get as much water out of these apples as possible, since we know that chocolate and water don't mix. So I've gone ahead to scoop a tablespoon into this mold, and I've the pastry brush to cover all the sides of the mold, and especially the center pieces as well, because we want the apples to be covered really well when we drop them into it. So as you can see, I'm just dropping them into it, and since I measured everything, everything fits perfectly and the same sizes. So now I'm going ahead to cover it again with the chocolate and just shake it around to make sure everything is covered and leveled. And after, I just clean the edges to get a clean um, surface. And now the in the fridge to firm up the chocolate. So if you don't want to use the mold, this is another method you can use. I just stick lollipop sticks into the apple slices and just dip them straight into the melted chocolate, and them drip as much as possible, so that when I set them on the parchment paper, it doesn't collect a lot of chocolate under it. So this stage is very important. So I'll just do all of it and just let it set just like the previous one. Then we'll come back and decorate our apple slices. So for this one, I just added spring drizzle a little bit of melted chocolate. Then I'm using strawberry shortcake crumbles to just add the texture and color to it. And after shake it to get the excess off. So with the mold, I just unmolded it, and at the same process I did the unmolded one. I just sprinkle drizzle chocolate and sprinkle some sprinkles on it, and there we have it. So whichever way you prefer. I think they all look pretty and they are easy to make. So I hope you guys will give it a try. And while you're guests with this, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them. Bye.